And this is the jerk. My husband is doing this one, so we are just about finishing it up. We're gonna wrap it up shortly. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. So, hear me out now. Hear me. This is the untraditional way of doing turkey. So instead of having this big old turkey, what I did this year, I just put it in pieces. Okay, so that's my breast, turkey thigh. This is a part of the back. That's the neck over there. That's the wing, and that's the thigh rather. So this is the untraditional way. This is the air fried turkey. And I made some sauce and I poured it all over. So this is not the usual way of doing turkey. And what do you think? Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. My untraditional way. Yeah. I have another portion in the oven there now. And this is the jerk. My husband is doing this one, so we are just about finishing it up. We're gonna wrap it up shortly. Then now, we have some curry lamb. Yes, sir. Or look we go. Mighty God. Let's try and call. This is some curry lamb. I think I'm going to turn. Oh, curry. I don't like a lot of curry though, but still, I would have enough curry to look a little bit richer. Anyway, it tastes good. Curry lamb, people. Curry lamb. So I do some curry lamb, and this is curry, not as rich as I wanted it. But this is it. Curry lamb. Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah. See that? Yeah, man. Out of water, no so. See it there? See it there, fatty. See it there. Yes, sir. See the gravy? Yes, man. Simmer. Simmer down. Yeah, man. Simmer. Yes, man. I did some more curry, and this is it. Yeah, I prefer this. I prefer this look. Yes, people, look at it. So this is how it looks, with a little bit more curry. Party continues. Yeah, man, you can't have party without vegetable. So we have some Brussels sprout, cabbage, and some bell pepper. The party continues. What we have over here, so now? Pumpkin rice. Pumpkin rice. Yeah. This is what we have. Pumpkin rice. This is a Jamaican kitchen. So you're not gonna find anything else, but we have to have some form of rice in our festivity. So this is pumpkin rice. Food on display. Yeah. So this is what we have. This is the layout. The jerk turkey, the air fried the turkey, avocado and tomatoes. We have the curried lamb. We have some corns. And we have our vegetable. So when you put it all together, lay it out on the table. And and don't forget our pumpkin rice, of course. So that's what we have. Look at it, people. Look at it.